Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be using for the very first time the Zulu palette from Juvia's place, and this is my first order from them. I really wanted to get this palette. The color that I wanted to use today was this one. It matches my nails like almost exact, and then yellow was calling my name for sure. Like that was one of the colors that I really wanted to use ever since I saw the pictures of this palette. And since I've been wanting to do more colorful looks, that one was one of the ones that was like kind of yes, kind of no. I wasn't sure which palette to go to get it my first, like pretty much my first colorful palette. I was really excited to combine all of those colors together, and this is the look that I came up with. So go ahead and keep watching if you're interested in seeing my very first tutorial using the Zulu palette. Also, let me know what other colors you would like to see. I'm going to be doing more tutorials with this palette for sure because I just love color right now, and they're really vibrant colors, so I'm excited about that part. So again, let me know what colors you would like to see from this palette. So go ahead and keep watching if you want to see the way that I created this eye look as well as my face makeup, because I went ahead and I did that too. Okay, so the first color is the pink one, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right here in the crease all the way to the inner corner. This one was one of the main colors that I really wanted to use because it is so bright and pink. It's pretty much like my nails, like my pink nails. And yeah, I saw it in there. I really wanted to use it. That one and the yellow one. The yellow one I've been wanting to use. Like since I saw the palette in pictures, I really wanted to try the yellow. So I'm going to take a little bit more and apply that mainly on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm just going to blend that towards the inside. So I picked up a little bit more and I'm concentrating it right here on the outer corner. Now I'm just blending towards the inside because I do want it to be all the way to the inner corner. Okay, so now with the clean brush, I am just cleaning up the edges. And I'm going to move on to the cut crease. So to cut the crease, I am going to use this white eyeshadow base by NYX. So I'm just going to start right here in the middle. And I have been trying this product out. I'm not 100% sure on it because you see how it looks like really wet. Like right now it just made this cut messy. So it is just like a wet formula. I thought it was going to be more matte, kind of like the NYX eyeshadow base pencil in the color Milk. Like I thought it was going to be more like that, but it's not. So this is the first eye look that I create using this eyeshadow base, and I just have to keep using it to see if I like it or if it's just not worth it. Like I might as well just use the concealer, you know. So I'm not gonna do the line all the way down, but I am gonna fill this part out because I feel like whenever I don't fill this in, the eyeshadow doesn't look as dark and intense as the rest of the eye. So the first color that I'm gonna use is the yellow one, and I'm gonna apply this mainly on the inner part of the cut crease. And I'm using this flat brush so that way it's easier for me to get close to the line without getting messy. Then with the pencil brush, I'm going to apply the yellow color on the inner corner, on the inner part of the cut crease. Then using the same brush, I'm going to apply a little bit of the orange just to blend those two colors together. So now I'm going to use this tiny brush and I'm going to outline the cut so that way it looks more intense. And then using this blending brush, I'm just going to pack on the pink color and apply that on the outer corner of the eye, and then I'm going to blend it towards the top. I really forgot that on the other eye I also mixed in a little bit of the orange, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that right on top of the pink. And you can even see it like right up there, and I was looking at it and I'm like, why is it not the same? I was like, why is it not the same? Oh, I forgot the orange. So I'm going to apply a little bit of the orange all the way around, all the way across, and now I'm going to take a little bit more pink and intensify the outer corner. So since I forgot about the orange, I'm just taking it with a little fluffy brush and getting closer to the eyebrow. I just forgot, I'm sorry. I forgot that I had used it. So I'm going to take the clean brush again and just lightly blend out this part. So now I'm going to use the NYX matte liquid eyeliner for the wing. Okay, and then using this little bitty brush, it's actually called the tiny brush. I'm gonna use the yellow color and I'm gonna apply that all on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take the orange color and get closer to the eyelashes. And then I'm gonna use the 24/7 waterline pencil, or it's not the waterline pencil, but it's just an eyeliner. And I'm gonna apply that on the waterline. Just using the liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna go back to the inner corner and create a little bitty triangle. I just like the way that looks. It just makes my inner corner look just a little bit longer, a little bit pointier. And then for the inner corner, I'm not gonna use the Zulu palette. I'm gonna use this one, and I'm just gonna use this shade right there. But you can just use the highlight that you're gonna use as highlight, but I'm just gonna use this one, and I am gonna wet it a little bit, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner. These are the eyelashes that I'm going to use. They're not in the box, but I wanted to show you that they are the Ardell Faux Mink. This is actually the little case for them, so they were the number 817. I do have to cut them though because they are pretty long for my eyes. And I really like these because they have a really thin band. It's like clear and it's really thin. Then to blend in my lashes with the falsies, I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you the rest of my face. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. The color that I use is in the color Light Neutral, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. It probably looks just a little bit light for me, but it is like the best match that I could find. I tried the one before and I tried the one after, and no, so I just make it work. For the concealer, I'm going to use the Mercier concealer, and this one I have it in the color 2W. And I'm just going to be a little careful for the eyeshadow that I have underneath. But I always like to do that anyways, just because I know for sure most of the time I get fallout, so I do like the concealer color because it's not like too light, and it's not my exact shade, but it's not too like super white. Where's my beauty blender? Okay, so I'm just going to blend this out with the beauty blender. And then I'm just going to set this with the Mercier translucent powder using the same beauty blender. Take what's on the top right up there, kind of grab a little bit more and then just swirl it around on the top and set the rest of my foundation. The thing that I'm going to keep is what's on my under eyes, just to leave it there a little bit longer. And then I'm going to use this bronzer. It's the Too Faced Sweet Tea bronzer. I always forget. The Sweet Tea bronzer. And I forgot I was actually going to use my contour palette first, but that's okay. This really like warms my face up because the foundation is just a little bit light. And I feel like this bronzer is not like too orange or too like brown, too muddy. I don't know, it's right in between and it just goes really good with my skin tone. And then for blush, I'm going to use this peachy one. This one's called Journey and it's by Tarte. And it's a little bitty tiny one, like from the travel kits, or the little kits, not travel kits, but just the little kits. And I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. I was using the little angled brush. If you've seen other tutorials of mine, I was using a little white one. But I feel like this one, like I can apply it really quickly. And since it's so puffy, it just blends out at the same time. So I'm back to this one. I used to use this one all the time and then I stopped. But now I remember why I like it. Still have the powder underneath because I'm gonna put my mascara on. So I'm gonna wait for a little bit and I'm gonna use a highlighter, and I'm thinking of using this one. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that one. I was thinking, no. I'm gonna use the white one. I used the white one yesterday and I really liked it. So I'm gonna apply it on this little fluffy brush. This one's by Morphe and it's called M510, and I bought it for eyeshadow. And if you saw my haul video, I bought a few other eyeshadow brushes, but it's just too big for me, so I use it for highlight and it's like perfect for my face. So I'm just gonna apply this up here and a little bit like over there by the eyebrow. And I like to spray it. If you don't have a spray, I really recommend this one. They even have little bottles of this, which I think are $7, $8, less than $10 I think, or maybe they're $12. I don't know, but really inexpensive, and it works for everything, for applying eyeshadow, making it more intense, and I like it for highlight a lot. You can also apply this before applying your makeup and after your makeup. It's just like a multi-use spray, and I really like it. So I just spray it like that, and it has a lot. That one has a lot, and they have other scents, other colors. It's a really good spray to get. This one has 8 ounces. It's a lot. And I'm gonna apply this on the Cupid's bow and on my nose. Where's my mascara? And I'm gonna use the mascara again, the same one that I used on the top. I'm gonna apply this on the lower lashes. I got a little bit on my nose. And then the lips, I'm gonna pair them up with the eyeshadow, and this one is a Tarte lipstick. This one is in the color Cha Cha. So I hope you liked this tutorial, and again, if you want me to use some other colors from here, let me know which ones they are. I am going to be doing more tutorials with it. I want to do more colors, and this one just has a lot of nice colors to choose from. I can't talk about the entire palette, but I can say that the colors that I used today were really easy to blend, and they went really well together, and they actually show up true to color, so I am happy about that. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's tutorial. Like I said, let me know what other colors you would like for me to use, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!